Welcome. This is a 6-minute yoga class to help support you when you are experiencing ADHD paralysis. This is a feeling I know all too well, and it affects me almost daily. When I'm sitting in this state, I need things to be accessible to me where I am. I need these things to meet me where I am, and sometimes that's in bed. So bed yoga is the perfect option. You can do this class in bed or on the mat, carpet, floor. You can skip anything that doesn't feel right or modify if and when needed. Let's begin in a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. And we'll just draw the breath in through the nose, out through the nose, expanding the chest, expanding the belly. Now you can pause here and do this as long as you need. Otherwise, we'll just take a few deep inhales here. Intentional breathing is a great option if you are ever feeling stuck and almost like you're just in quicksand. You want to step forward, but you're just not able to. Take deep breaths. Breathing is movement, so you are bringing movement into the body as you breathe, whether you're sitting down, laying down, whatever it is, watching TV. And we'll go ahead and just draw the chin down, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. And then we'll lift the chin up, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Great, we'll circle the wrists, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. And we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left, right hand reaches up. Inhale back up. Exhale, take it over towards the right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, gentle twist towards the left, just twisting to your own ability here. And we'll inhale the hands up. Exhale, take it over towards the right. Again, just twisting to your own ability. And we'll gently release, just shake it out, take a moment here. And whenever you're set, go ahead and come to a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Tuck the toes, and we'll drop the belly. Inhale, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Now, if you can't tuck your toes, untuck them. No biggie. Listen to the body. You can also find some organic movement here if that feels better. So just circling the waist, rocking forward and back. Great, and whenever you're set, go ahead and come into a child's pose. You can take the knees wide if that feels best. I like to do that because it gives me space for my stomach and my upper body. You can also place pillows or blankets between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. You can also place books or blocks under the forehead for added height. And just taking a moment here to check in with the body, softening the body with each exhale, even if it's just for a moment. Great. Whenever you're set, go ahead and come all the way up. If this is comfortable, stay here. If not, skip this pose. We'll inhale, the hands reach up, lift the hips. Exhale, sit the hips back down, hands to heart center. We'll do that a few more times. Engage the core. Great. Inhale, the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice and would like to support the channel, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also support the channel and myself by joining the membership right here on YouTube, or if you would like to donate, you can do so at the link in the description below. Thank you so much for joining.